Geotechnical investigation services are crucial for any construction project, as they provide valuable information about the soil and geological conditions of the site. In Danka, a rapidly developing area in India, the need for such services is on the rise. Geotechnical investigation services in Dankaur play a vital role in ensuring the safety and stability of structures, as well as preventing potential issues that may arise due to poor soil conditions. These services involve conducting various tests and assessments to determine the properties of the soil, such as its bearing capacity, compaction characteristics, and permeability. One of the primary purposes of geotechnical investigation services in Dankaur is to assess the soil's suitability for construction purposes. This involves evaluating the soil's strength and stability to determine its ability to support structures. By analyzing the soil properties, geotechnical engineers can recommend appropriate foundation designs and construction techniques to ensure the safety and longevity of buildings and infrastructure projects. Another important aspect of geotechnical investigation services in Dankaur is assessing the risk of natural hazards such as landslides and earthquakes. The geological conditions in Dankaur may vary across different locations, making it crucial to understand the potential risks associated with the site. Through comprehensive geotechnical investigations, engineers can identify any potential hazards and recommend suitable mitigation measures to minimize risks. In addition to site-specific investigations, geotechnical services in Dankaur also involve laboratory testing of soil samples. These tests help determine the soil's physical and mechanical properties, such as its density, moisture content, shear strength, and compressibility. This information is essential for designing foundations, retaining walls, and other structural elements. Geotechnical investigation services are critical for every building project because they give important knowledge about the soil and geological conditions of the location. The need for these services is growing, particularly in Danka, an area of India that is developing quickly. In Dankaur, geotechnical research services are crucial for guaranteeing the stability and safety of buildings as well as for averting problems that could result from unfavorable soil conditions. These services entail performing different tests and assessments to ascertain the soil's qualities, including its bearing capacity, compaction traits, and permeability. The evaluation of the soil's suitability for construction needs is one of the main goals of geotechnical investigation services in Dankaur. In order to establish the soil's capacity to sustain structures, its strength and stability must be assessed. Geotechnical engineers can offer suitable foundation designs and building methods based on an analysis of the soil qualities to guarantee the security and durability of construction projects for buildings and infrastructure. Identifying the risk of natural disasters like earthquakes and landslides is a crucial component of Dankaur's geotechnical investigation services. It is critical to comprehend the potential threats related with the site because the geological characteristics in Dankaur may fluctuate between different sites. Engineers can find any potential concerns and provide